Alright, I'm heading over to my good friend's house. He's the guy whose company does all the upholstery for the boats that I do. But we're not going over there to get upholstery, we're going over there to actually start working on his boat. He happens to have his own ski boat, and like us, he's making his boat great again. He just got his boat back from his guys, and I want to check out this upholstery. It's going to be amazing. But really what we're going over here to do is work on the sound system. In this video we're going to be putting in a stereo so he has Bluetooth and taking a look at some of the speaker situations and see if we might not just upgrade those. Alright, here's the boat. He doesn't even have the cover off. Come on, Scott. Time is money. Oh, stop. You don't even have the cover off, dude.
No, not yet. Charlie.
Get your attack dog off. It's gonna be cool. I mean, the only mistake that he made was he didn't get a Nautique, but that's fine. This is a real nice Malibu. For some reason, this Malibu with this blue and this black had these nasty tan seats in. So let's take a look and see what his guys did, because they just redid the whole interior. What do we got, Scott? I didn't get embroidery on mine.
Well, you didn't ask for embroidery.
Dude, that's
but yeah,
gorgeous.
There was a template plaque there, so they just did embroidery instead.
Okay, you got new carpet in here?
New carpet. It wasn't made to be replaced, but they did it anyway.
New captain's seat. You got little details, blue detail in your stitching?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that was a last second decision on his part.
I love that. And then this is that, what do you call this?
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Well, it looks like carbon fiber.
Oh yeah, it looks like it. Your piping's blue. Dude, that's awesome. I love it. All right, so we're taking a look at these guys.
Yeah, I don't know that they're actually.
You're saying you're not sure they work?
No, I'm not sure.
Where's your stereo in this boat?
Well, the base plate is there.
Oh,
Let's see.
that's your amplifier.
Yes.
So you got an amplifier in here already. You're gonna need that for sure. And then your stereo sits right next to it here.
Yep.
Does not have Bluetooth?
It does not.
All right, I got the perfect stereo to swap this out though.
And I feel like that's the only thing we would actually use.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's 2021. 2021.
Right.
You need a phone. That's about it.
We basically have these two speakers.
Okay.
The two in the back down there, and the two in the.
We need everybody here to meet the newest subscriber to Make Ski Boats Great Again. Brenner, she just subscribed. She's excited to watch it. Hey, we're gonna do something right here. We're gonna take that little bit of gray non-slip foam padding. We'll cut a little square, put it there.
Okay.
Instead of just having plastic on the bottom.
Well, I think
It took a while to get the speakers ordered and shipped out here for Scott. But we got them now, and I'm on my way to the marina to swap out the stereo as well as put in these new speakers. Scott's a great guy. It's my birthday today, and look what he made me for my birthday, because he's Mr. Upholstery. So my console in my 20-year-old truck was all cracked and beat up, and he fixed it for me. Out here in an absolute sea of boats trying to find my buddy. Oh, there he is. That way. We finally found the right dock. Oh, it's a police boat. Protect and serve. I wish the police would come out here more often. That DNR, they need to put on the side of their boat. DNR. Harass and waste time. Oh. Here it is. Here's the man.
How's it going?
What's up, Scott?
Not much.
You getting everything out?
Yeah, started unpacking for you.
All right. Scott, I get a lot of people that ask about your company that reupholsters like this incredible sweet work right here. Scott just had his boat reupholstered by his company.
Yes.
What's it called?
Creative Colors.
And you guys don't want to do this, right?
We're still trying to figure out whether we're going to continue with it or not.
Okay. And you guys are located anywhere in Indiana?
Yeah, we cover all of Indiana.
Cover all of Indiana.
And southern Michigan.
These are the speakers here?
These are them.
And we got 4 all-weather. Those are the Kenwoods I put in my boat. You did get those.
Those are pretty sweet.
And these ones are going to replace the ones up there at the dash?
Yeah.
All right.
Tried to get them in black, but they didn't have them anymore.
That's all right. This will be good. We're going to take these old tower ones down, put these new ones on. I brought all the tools. I only forgot one thing, Scott. The only thing I forgot was I forgot the stereo. That's it.
I forgot my stereo too.
Other than the stereo, I got everything I need. So I might be making a trip home.
Let's do those first then.
Well, why don't you take these down? Well, I'll swap these out.
All right, you can do it without dropping it on your head. That'd be perfect.
Maybe these just like... How does that come off? Serious? Oh, there we go. Pop
No, it
those
just pops off. Nice.
I know. Man. Oh, man, that screw is...
Can you get to it?
I'm a little weary that the windshield might have to come off to put...
Well, it had to come off to dye the vinyl.
Not exactly. Look at that screw. Doesn't even look like it's in there.
Pinch them back on or something?
That's all you gotta do. Just stick them right in there. They won't come off. Scott decided to take the windshield off. You can see that black. That's just amazing. Yeah, it looks like brand new.
They obviously didn't take the speakers out to do it, but I wouldn't expect them to.
Now I think these screws are gonna line up. Or they don't like they line up. Hopefully when that sits over it. Okay, that's gonna be the same size.
I was
for a second there, I'm like, you might have
slightly worried about that I'm gonna be taking this off and doing some more dye work.
All right, so here's what I think we need to do. I think we need to have this rotate a little bit and then drill some new holes.
Do you have to drill the holes in, or can you just put the screws in?
I think you're gonna wanna.
Okay.
The question is, what is below this? Is this fiberglass? It's actually more like a plastic than fiberglass. Yeah, I think we want to drill.
Okay. Yeah, I guess I just assumed wood, but that doesn't make a whole lot of sense.
Okay.
Better for this job.
Yeah, it's just plastic.
Put this on and drill through both of them. Screw through both.
It screws through both. I was thinking you'd have like a black head on that, but might not be an issue.
Oh, you know what? That's what these are for.
Oh, I wasn't. Did you want to use those?
Little black caps that just pop over the screws.
Oh, dude, you are so smart.
Well, I was looking at that. I'm like,
yes.
So that's not.
It is kind of like, who designed it this way?
1, 2, 3.
In addition to being a master upholsterer, what do you call it, upholsterer?
I am not the upholsterer.
I know.
Let's be clear about that.
In addition to being a master upholsterer and super smart like this, Scott also is a master golfer and won a huge golf tournament yesterday. Congratulations, Scott.
Thank you very much.
Our member. Beautiful birdie on 18 in the shootout. It was incredible. That looks great, dude.
Oh, it does look great.
All right, I'm gonna work on these ones down here.
All right.
While you take those put that windshield back on, or.
Yeah. Just have to remember this isn't wood.
Don't crack that fiberglass. Will crack really easily. I do like these Kenwoods, and they're pretty cheap. How much were these Kenwoods?
I
want to say it's like $70 for the two of them.
It's a lot easier to pull
Yours
out.
is like rubber. Mine's more of a. Mine's a flat plastic that bends and pops into the two ends.
Oh, okay. Is that hard to get in and out?
No.
Things are getting serious. You'll be.
You do.
Okay.
The screws are what hold this in place.
That's true.
Plus you spit out a little bit of water, but
Okay.
Not too
Nothing
bad.
crazy.
so you guys like sound experts?
Nope.
No,
We're
not
do-it-yourself experts.
Us?
We're gonna want to use one more screw in here when we put this back on. This one here is kind of stripped. All right, I'm removing the old CD player and stereo. I'm gonna be replacing it with a dual media Bluetooth stereo only option. I find this at Walmart. It is $19. This is the third boat I've put one in. They work great. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this incredibly tedious process of matching up every single wire from this new stereo to what was already in there. I put a butt splice on all of those. They should have had a shrink wrap around them because it's marine. I didn't have them with me. Scott was not worried about them. And if nothing ever goes wrong, this was a $19 stereo that we could just swap out in 20 minutes again.
It is power to the.
Ooh, it says welcome.
It has a.
We have. Oh yeah. Smooth jazz.
Turn on the Bluetooth. It's trying to pair.
Wait, that's mode.
Not paired. It says give a pin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'll never remember that. Let's get an easier one.
Dual, maybe.
Dual media pairing.
It's pairing.
It's paired.
Put some music on, dude.
All right. It's the first one that came up.
Put a good song on.
All right. I'll just
Something that you want to hear. Such an old man.
It's a classic.
Such an old dude.
All right.
No, it's fine.
Touching you.